Hello, my dear students. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Government Science College, Bangalore. In this class, let us study about interpolation. Interpolation means to find out the missing value in a given table. Within the given table, we find out the value, then it is called interpolation. If we find out the value outside the given table or given range, then this is called extrapolation. So, in this class, we will study about interpolation. In interpolation, there are two types. One is interpolation with equal intervals and interpolation with unequal intervals. And also, in interpolation with equal intervals, again there are two types. One is Newton's Gregory forward interpolation, and here Newton's Gregory backward interpolation. Newton's Gregory forward interpolation is used when we have to find out the missing number beginning of the table, then we will use Newton's Gregory forward interpolation. In order to find out the missing number at the end of the given table, we will use Newton's Gregory backward interpolation. In unequal intervals, there are again two types. One is Lagrange's interpolation and another one is Newton's interpolation for unequal intervals. So there are four types we have to study. One is, again I will repeat, equal intervals and unequal intervals. When equal intervals, again Newton's Gregory forward interpolation and Newton's Gregory backward interpolation. In unequal intervals, Lagrange's method and Newton's interpolation with unequal intervals. First one, Newton's Gregory forward interpolation. So here y is equal to f of x is the given curve and y takes the values y1, y2, y3, start from y0, y1, y2, y3 and so on. Corresponding value of x is x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on. We will find out the delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, delta raised to n y0 using difference table. Now, the formula is y is equal to y0 plus n delta y0 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 and so on, where n is equal to x minus x0 divided by h, where x is the value or the missing number we have to find out and x0 is the initial value of the argument and h is the class interval. That is a difference between x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on. That is the equal intervals. Now, it is called Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. Okay. Now, let us solve one example. Find f of 1.4 from the following data. That is, x and f of x is given, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and f of x 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. Now, so h is equal to 1 because the class interval is 1. Next, let us construct the forward difference table. That is difference table. This is x f of x delta y delta square y delta cube y and so on. X are 1 2 3 4 5 and f of x 10 26 58 112 194. So delta y is 60 32. The difference 112 minus 58, that is 64. 194 minus 112, 282. This is 54 and this is 32. Now again delta square y is given by 16 32, not 32, 22. Next it is 28 and this is difference 6 and delta raised to 4y is equal to 0. Now we have x naught equals to 1 and x equals to given, that is 1.4 and h equals to 1. Therefore n equals to x minus x naught by h, that is 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 0.4. Now substitute this value in the given equation, that is delta y naught we know. Delta y naught is equal to 60. This is forward difference, that is 16. Again delta square y naught is 16. Delta cube y naught is equal to 6 and delta raised to 4 y naught equal to 0. Therefore f of 1.4 is equal to y naught plus n delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 delta square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 delta cube y naught, here divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So that is equal to y naught is given by 10 plus n is equal to 0.4 into 16 plus 0.4 into n minus 1 is 0.4 minus 1 minus 0.6 delta square y naught 16 by 2 plus again n into n minus 1, that is 0.4 into minus 0.6 into minus 1.6 into 6 divided by 6, 3 factorial is 6. So after simplification 10 plus 6.4 minus 1.92 minus and minus plus, so 0.384, that is equal to 14.864. This is the y value. Similarly we can find out the polynomial, that is a second degree polynomial. A second degree polynomial passes through the points 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 1, 4 5. Find the polynomial. First construct, let us difference table. Okay, difference table, let us construct. X is 1 2 3 4, y values are minus 1 1 5 and delta y is equal to 0 2 4 and delta square y is 2, 4 minus 2 2 and delta cube y is equal to 0. Now here n equals to x is as it is, because there is, in order to find out the polynomial, x value is not given, that is x, and x naught value is 1 divided by class interval h equals to 1, that is equal to x minus 1. So f of x is equal to y naught plus n delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught, because delta cube y naught is 0. Y naught is equal to minus 1 plus n value is x minus 1, delta y naught is equal to 0 plus x minus 1, n minus 1 is x minus 1 minus 1, that is x minus 2 divided by 2, delta square y naught is 2. 2 to it cancels, minus 1, and this becomes 0. So plus multiplication of these 2 is x square minus 3x plus 2, or that is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1. F of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 is the polynomial. So by using forward difference table, we can find out the polynomial as well as the missing number. Okay, this is known as Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. Similarly, we can use the Newton's backward interpolation formula in the next class. Thank you.